Hello everyone, lovely October day today. We've gotten some more snow. Just got some more snow yesterday. It's supposed to probably melt later this week, but what are you doing over there? Quiet. Get him, get him. Those two. Well, snow might be melting later this week, but I got a call that I could possibly go do some plowing. So might be too dark by the time I get out there because it's got to firm back up a little bit. But I just got home from work and I haven't really messed with the plow since I unloaded it. So I know this tractor isn't going to start, so I got to plug that in. Looks like a fairly new block heater on here. There we go. I'm getting cold already. So the problem with this plow isn't too big of a deal, but it's this bolt. Can't really tell it right now because the wheel is down and it's all hooked up and all that. But if I were to unhook this has all kinds of slop in here. So the plan is take this off, look if it's all wallered out or what the deal is. Jam bolt. Now that should just come right off. Looking at this, that's the wrong size bolt. I'll go see if I can find one a little bit closer to what's supposed to be in here. Well, here's what the problem was, guys. It had a 5/8 inch bolt in this hole, which is 3/4 inch. So here we have a 3/4 inch bolt. Well, it's been plugged in for a while here. Let's give her a try. Is it gonna go? Well, it started. belt ain't going anywhere. Not only did I put a lock washer and red Loctite, but I also screwed up the threads when I was running it in. Going a little now. It's a little tight in there. There, it's got some in it. That should be a good starting point. At least got the thing turning now. I don't know if I went far enough, but we'll see when it's in the field. Looks like that tire's a little low back there. Well, it should be pretty much ready to go now. Hopefully it's set pretty close. Might have to adjust the gauge wheel here, this pin. Might have to adjust that a little bit more in the field, the 3-point arm. The reason why I had to adjust that is because I moved this pin from there to there, so it would work with the quick hitch. So then you gotta adjust it a little that way, because when the tractor's in the furrow, you want the plow to be level. Well guys, you probably can't see me, but the wife and I are in the Allis, and this is not made for 2 adults. Let's just say there's not a funny seat in here, but it's working. Well, guys, it's time for bed for tonight. I gotta get up for work in the morning. So, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Take care and God bless. You wanna run them?